In this video, I will show you how to graph the equation. And so I'll start with this first example here, y is equal to 5x. And what we'll need to do is know that in this equation, our y-intercept is 0. So I'm going to put a dot on the origin 0, 0, and now I'm going to count my slope, which is up 5 over 1, because my fraction here would be 5 over 1. So I'm going to count up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and write 1. And then up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and write 1. And if I connect these points, that will be the equation on the graph. Now for this equation here, y is equal to -3/2 minus 1. My y-intercept is going to be at -1 on the y-axis. And then now I'm going to count down 3, right 2, down 3, right 2, and that pattern will be the pattern of my graph. Down 1, 2, 3, right 2. Down 1, 2, 3, right 2. And as you're going down 3 and right 2, put a point down on your paper, and then if you connect those points, you'll have your equation graphed out. Now if I go backwards, instead of going down, I want to go up 3 and left 2. So up 1, 2, 3, left 2. Up 1, 2, 3, left 2. And if I connect all of these points, that is my graph. Now this function would be y is equal to 1x plus nothing. And so my y-intercept here is going to be 0, 0. And I have my slope is 1. So I'm going to go up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. And if I connect all of these points, this will be the equation y is equal to x. I have 3 more for you. So go ahead if you want to pause the video and try these. But notice that this one you're going to have to convert to y equals mx plus b form first. And then this one, I want you to think of that phrase hoi vux. That might help you draw that line. And this one is out of order, so maybe rearrange that before you start. So if you want a challenge, go ahead, pause the video and see if you can graph them, and then hit play to check your work. For this function here, I'm going to rewrite it so that my mx comes first and my b comes second. So the equation will be -x plus 7. So on the 7 on the y-axis, I'm going to draw my y-intercept. And my slope is -1, so I'm going to go down 1, right 1, down 1, right 1. And I'll keep going down 1, right 1 to connect my points. And then I will connect those with a line. And that is our function. For this one, we need to solve for y. So first what we need to do is add our 6x to the other side. So now I'm going to have 3y is equal to a positive 6x for my slope term, and then plus 6 for my y-intercept term. Now I need to divide each term by 3. So the function I will graph is going to be y is equal to 2x plus 2. So I'm going to graph a 2 y-intercept on the y-axis, so I'll put a point here. And now I'm going to follow my slope, which is positive 2, which would mean up 2, right 1, up 2, right 1. So I'm going to go up 2, right 1 and put a point, up 2, right 1 and put a point, up 2, right 1, and continue that pattern so that I can get an idea of where my graph is going. You could even work backwards down to left 1 to continue the pattern to see where your function will go. And the last one is y equal to a number. And our phrase hoi vux can be helpful. And because this says y equals, I know I have a horizontal line with 0 slope because my function is y equal to a number. That's what this y stands for. And if I have y equals 7 on the y-axis, I'm going to find positive 7. And I'm going to draw a horizontal line at positive 7.